Hi team, welcome to my session on Coffee with Prab, and today we're going to discuss about GRC career. I'm trying to make this short video. My name is Prab and I have a 17 plus year of experience in the information security, and in the last 10 years I'm into the governance. Let's understand what is GRC. Governance, risk management, compliance in a very layman term. I've seen a lot of people posting more than 15, 16 URLs, I think more than 20 URLs of GRC resource. Listen one thing, team. There is no point of going with the random 17, 18 URLs of GRC. In this video, I'm going to discuss only 4 books, which is very, very important if you're preparing for GRC as a career. So as I said, first let's understand the high level GRC. Let's understand, okay? So governance is called as a set of rules. G for governance, R for risk management, C for compliance. So from that point of view, let's understand the point of the governance. See, when you are a kid, your parents has created a rules, define the role for you, for your sister, brother, siblings and all that. Like, this is the time we will basically have a lunch. This is the time we have a dinner. This is the time we have a breakfast. There's a fixed schedule for that. So this is basically called as creating a strategy, schedules and everything. Presence of this is called as a governance. Okay. Along with that, they also ensure that you should not get hurt. You have requested, I want to go for this picnic. So they will do the calculation of all the impact. If I send them a loan, what is the impact? So parents do all this assessment. That is called risk assessment. And when they permit you, okay, you can go for picnic and all that, they will tell you the rules and regulations. They also tell you, okay, you are in a society, you should not abuse to anyone. Okay, you should not kill someone, you should not beat someone, there's a law. So that is called compliance. Okay, same thing happen in the company. Governance, risk management, compliance. Why GRC is buzzword nowadays and a lot of companies looking for GRC professional, I will tell you why. Any company or any country or any house, it's run with the help of strategy. If I am a working professional, I will create a 30-day strategy because I want to drive my salary for 30 days, right? So as a human, I have created a strategy of my 30,000, 40,000 to run my house. Same like company basically creating the strategies to make sure they can able to run their show. For that, they basically had different kind of professionals. So in GRC, we have a different kind of verticals. Example like audit is there, risk consultant is there, information security consulting is there, risk managers are there, privacy consultants are there, okay, non-IT auditors are there, okay. We have a multiple verticals, and their roles and responsibilities are very well defined in their areas. So, but as I said, in this particular video, I'm also going to discuss about the 4 important resources you should review if you're starting a career in GRC, and this is completely for the beginners. Those who have a zero visibility, what is GRC, and they want to start from zero. So this particular books which I'm sharing in this video is enough to get the understanding. Then you can do mastery. Now, the first book I want you to start with is called as Information Security Governance by Mr. Andrich. I will share the screenshot in the video, okay? I personally find this is one of the best book in this decade. Starting with the very basic governance, talk about compliance management, regulation, how to do risk management, what is controls and everything. Amazing masterclass book. Information Security Governance by Mr. Andrich. That is the first book you should do. Instead of just jumping into PCI DSS, ISO, PISO and all that. No. First understand how governance works, how strategy works. This is the best book which cover the governance, it cover the strategy, it cover the risk management, it cover the compliance, it cover the controls, everything from the basics. Second, after reading this book, the second book I would recommend you to review the Sari Green Information Security Policy and Practice. This is a book in a Pearson view is there. Pearson IT certification is there. So it is a book by Sari Green. Amazing book. It talk about very basic concept of policies and different functions. That is the second book you should refer. Third book is GRC Capability OCEG open source. You can go to the OCEG website and download the 3.1 or 4.0 some version of document. It basically talk about how to start governance from basics. Okay. And the fourth book is basically all about Google and ChatGPT. Once you have all this information, okay, combine, use ChatGPT. How? Hey ChatGPT, you have to act like a GRC expert. I want to create an information security strategy for the company where the company is into pharmaceutical. So they will give you some prompts. And this is how you should start learning. Instead of directly jumping to standard, jumping to privacy, jumping to things, first understand what is governance all about. So summary is that first start with the information security governance, Mr. Andrich. Second is basically Sari Green. Third is OCEG, and fourth is basically ChatGPT. Along with that, if you're looking for a very basic concept to understand the videos, there is a GRC playlist in my YouTube channel. I started completely from basics. It started with a very basic GRC basics. Then I talk about GRC interview questions. So there's a dedicated playlist is there. So these are basically enough to start your things. Instead of starting with multiple 32 URLs of GRC, PCIDs and all that, start with basic. Let's understand what is that. So in this particular book, you will get the basics. Do let me know, shall I make more videos on that? Okay. My next video will be on the GRC job. Thank you.